Hello, hello, and welcome to Stable Technology Center. In this video, you are going to learn about Excel, a beginner guide to Excel. Okay, let's just go away no time. Okay, I'm opening my Excel. Okay, let's wait for it to launch. This is my Excel. Normally, when you open Excel for the first time, probably maybe this isn't your first time or second time. In Excel 2016, when you open it the first time, this is how it comes like. Okay, this is how it comes like. You have the blank white book. Welcome to Excel, formula tutorials, pivot table tutorials. You have all this stuff. Okay, path to school planner, student schedules, academic calendar. You have another any year calendar. You have a year 1 month calendar. You have project tracker. Okay, you have all this list of templates available for you. Okay, you have these templates available for you. So you have all these templates available for you. You can use them based on what you want. Okay, you can use them based on what you want. Okay, so now let's go ahead. Let me open the blank workbook. Okay, this is my Excel. Okay, this is my Excel. In Excel, you see two things. When you open it the first time, you see tab. These are the tab. These columns are the tab. Okay. You know the tab, below the tab you have what we call ribbon. The ribbons are what you have below it. When I click on the insert, these are all ribbons in my Excel. If I click on page layout, these are all the other features that I want to add. The formulas, this is what I want to add. The date, data, review, the view, and as and when. Okay, so now this is my Excel. Now in Excel we have what we call cells, and we have what we call columns and rows. Cells are the box. See, this is my cell. The small ones I click, they are called cells. Okay, an entire when I click on one, for example, here, this is called rows. This is my row. The entire column on under one is called row, and below you see the A, B, C, D. This is my columns. These are my columns, so take note of that. Okay, and within the columns and rows is what we call the small boxes. We call them cells. Okay, so take note of that. Now, as you can see, they are named A, B, C, D up to Z, or whatever you want, up to Z. Yes, up to. Well, it depends on your screen resolution, your screen size, and whatever. That is what you see. But you can add more and more as when you want them. Now, let's say I want to create. This is just an overview, part one of it. In the next video, we'll take it from there. So let's say I want to create inventory management. I want to have my inventory in place. I want to take note of my inventories that I have in my home inventory, like my home, the things that I have. I want to take note of them when I bought them, when I buy them, when I want to dispose them. I just have to keep inventory of everything, so I can give it a name that I want. So let me say stable inventory. Yes, as you can see, when I was typing in the cells A in A1, it has appeared in B, but it doesn't necessarily mean that it is in B. No, If I click on B, I can type something else, which it will not affect what I have in A. Okay, so let me just take this one out. So this is what I have. Inventory. It says to take note when you hit enter, when you're typing something and you hit enter, it takes you to when you're cell and you type enter, it takes you to a different column. It takes you to the next column, which is the second line. So basically this is an overview of it. I think I'll continue somewhere. I'll continue from here the next video. We are taking it step by step so that all of us will be in the same loop. So this is it. Let me just increase the size. I want it, so I have it like this, and I want to expand the A. Between the A and B, just put the cursor in between. You see these directional arrows in there. Click on it, then expand it. Okay, just do this. You just click on it and drag it. Okay, so now as you can see, I have successfully expanded my inventory, my name in column in cell A. So now I have this in place. So now I can take the name of the inventory, what I want to enter, what I want to from the inventory, what I want to keep in my inventory. So let's first I'll start my date of purchase, which is the date I buy the stuff. Date of purchase. Okay, I have it. Item, what I bought. I can click that one. I put that one in C. I come to F, maybe location. Okay, I have my location. And what again, maybe price. Okay, so okay, basically this is what I want to take. So now since I have this one in place, so I can put a date. So maybe the first item that I bought was 1st January 2018. Okay, what did I buy? Shoe. I bought shoe. Okay, where did I buy it from? So let's say Accra. How much did I pay for it? Okay, let's say 400 Ghana cedis. That is the price I paid for. So now I have my inventory updated. So then I can come again and put it as a one. So thank you. Basically this is where I want to end. Then the part 2 will come. The part 2 we explore it much more into details, what you want to have in Excel, how we want our Excel to perform, the result that we want from it, and what are some of the hidden features that we need to know. Okay, so thank you for watching the video. Just like the page, follow us, bring your comments and suggestion. If you're on Facebook, subscribe and comment on it. Thumbs up for the next video. If you subscribe, just click on the bell columns in your YouTube channel. That will give you notification each time I post something. If you're on Facebook, follow it and like it, so that each time I publish something, it will automatically pop up in your screens. So thank you for watching. Thank you so much. This is Stable Technology Center, the brain behind your performance. Have a great day. Bye bye.